So I had this very simple idea of a bird feeder made out of a coconut shell and a tree branch. I did some sketching to get a better idea of what I was about to do, cut the branch into a suitable piece, and did some markings on the coconut shell to make sure that it aligns well with the branch. The first cut that I made was too small, so I had to redo that. Then I cleaned the inside of the coconut. It looks a bit funky because it was an old one, but I had been saving it for a purpose like this. And the most difficult part about this was the drilling, because I had to start with a very small drill bit in order to not crack the coconut shell, and then progressively move into bigger ones. The fit between the shell and the branch was very tight, so I didn't need any gluing. Then I made one side of the branch a little bit flatter for the attachment, and then attached it to the balcony wall and filled it up.